ZOSI Security, introducing all-rounded family protection. Innovation, it's that moment where science leads to performance. Easy peasy. ZOSI covers every corner. And auto-tracking? The suspect. Uh-oh. It has crystal clear audio and two-way talk.
Oh, just put next to the door. Thanks.
Yeah, that's another scenario to use the two-way talk.
Don't even think about it. You might kill.
Recorded 24/7, you can look back and detect the suspect in advance.
What? Hey.
Be careful from now.
Make your home a smarter home. You can control all your cameras in one place. ZOSI.